Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will demonstrate how to enable your camera on Snapchat. Let's get started. Begin by launching the Settings application on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find either Apps or Application Manager, depending on your specific device, and tap to select it. In the list of installed applications, locate and tap on Snapchat. Within the Snapchat application settings, navigate to the Permissions section and tap on it. Ensure that the app has been granted permission to access the camera. If this permission is currently disabled, toggle it on to enable camera access. Now, let's confirm whether Snapchat can access your phone's camera or not. Open the Snapchat app and take a photo. If it captures the photo, your Snapchat has successfully accessed the camera. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching this Snapchat camera tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tutorials.